Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video for this Audi RS5 Coupe. This is the 4.2 FSI Quattro S-Tronic, finished in phantom black metallic. One former keeper vehicle, features a comprehensive Audi and specialist service history, comprising 4 visits, last done 26th of October 2020 at 60,000 miles, which was a full service. MOT valid through until the 18th of October 2021 with no advisories. The car's covered a fraction over 60,000 miles. It's tax band L, so it produces 246 grams of CO2, which is £565 a year road tax. Excellent set of Pirelli P0 premium branded tyres, fronts on 6 and 6.5mm of tread, and the rears on 5.3 and 3.2mm of tread. As with the exterior of this RS5, the interior is likewise in very good condition for its age. So it features a full black leather interior with the grey piping, Isofix location points across both rear seats and also the passenger side front seat. See, fully embossed RS5 sport seats. Some lovely factory options on this particular model. Features including keyless entry and keyless start, electric memory front seats, heated front seats, cruise control with limiter and radar, lane assist, automatic xenon headlights with automatic windscreen wipers, satellite navigation, front and rear parking sensors with rear parking camera. Infotainment wise, the vehicle features an AM/FM radio as well as DAB, CD player, hard drive, DVD playback, Bluetooth music streaming, as well as the Audi music interface with USB attachment. Bang & Olufsen speakers are also standard on this model. The car is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away same day as viewing. It'll be supplied with both remote control keys, full book pack, full set of tailored carpet mats, all paperwork present, inflator kit and locking wheel bolt also present. Thank you for watching this latest video, and should you have any questions, please do not hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding warranties on offer, customer testimonials, part exchange valuation form and our interactive finance calculator, giving you the ability to apply for a low rate loan online in minutes. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 20% deposit over a 48-month term. Monthly payments of £456.02. That's based on a 4.5% flat rate, 9.8 APR. Thank you for watching this video.